Hey guys, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. It's day 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. So in a lot of manufacturing environments, indication to the operator to let us know what the current machine state is extremely important. A lot of times it's been done by many years by tower lights. I have a Banner TL70 light here, and I have a Banner TL50 with an audible that have 70 and 50 millimeter housings respectively. We've also probably seen Banner's K50 indicator light. So this is a 50 millimeter dome housing that normally has a green, a yellow, and a red indication to let us know the machine's running, we're in a warm-up stage, or we have a fault. Then, of course, we have Banner's K50 Capacitive Touch, which has a capacitive sensor and mounted into the housing, so when the operator touches it via gloves or by their hand, it can do a machine cycle start or a reset. And then their K50 Audible, which has an actual audible signal inside of here to let the operator know of a status. But what we have here is something you might not have seen before. So same as the K50 before, this is the K50 Pro, which is a multicolor programmable K50. So we currently have a green status, but let's zoom in here and see what we can do. Alright, so we're zoomed in on the Banner K50, and we're seeing their common green status that we're all familiar with. Now, I can change the individual programmable RGB LEDs on this device using the Predator software. So if I want to, I can do a 50-50 rotate. So here I have a green and blue 50-50 rotate. I can easily change that to whatever colors I want, where I can be half red and half blue, and we get a nice indication of what's going on. I can even do a nice flash, where I'm doing a nice blue and red intensity flash, or even a chase. Now this is one of my favorite indications right here, so we can see that there's a single green LED being lit up. And I use this a lot of times as an indicator to an operator to let them know, hey, you need to turn something either clockwise, or you could do it counterclockwise. So right now, it's rotating clockwise. Now it's rotating counterclockwise, just like that. So nice indication to turn a screw or a indicator one position or another. Now, one of my favorite other statuses is a intensity sweep. So here I have a red light that's going from a low LED emission to a high one, and basically I can use this in the application where if I'm at a furnace and my furnace is heating up, or I'm waiting for some glue to heat up, or waiting for a robot to load a bunch of screws that are going to be blow fed into a part. I can take status indications and let my operator know that, hey, something's happening, you just got to wait for it, and then once we're ready for it and it's good, we'll hit green and we're going to continue on with our operation. But one of the last things I want to show you is how durable is this K50. Let's try and break it.